Welcome to Biology Basics with SM. Parthenogenesis or parthenocarpy. We've discussed in our previous videos about different asexual types of reproduction. Parthenogenesis is also one type of asexual reproduction. The word parthenogenesis means partheno stands for virgin and genesis means to produce. So, in some plants and animals, it happens that the new plant or animal is produced from an unfertilized egg. The definition of parthenogenesis due to this stands as follows. It is the type of asexual reproduction in which an unfertilized egg develops into a new offspring. Parthenocarpy, on the other hand, is the development of fruit without formation of seed due to lack of pollination or fertilization, and such fruits are mostly seedless, for example, grapes, oranges, and banana. Parthenogenesis examples for animals are some fishes, frogs, insects, and most importantly, the honeybees. There are many interesting facts about the development of new honeybees. The female honeybee lays eggs in honeycomb. Some eggs get fertilized while the others do not. The unfertilized eggs develop into males called drones, which are haploid, and those which get fertilized develop into two different types of bees. The bees which do not feed on special food called the royal jelly become the worker bees, and these are diploid, whereas those which feed on royal jelly become the queens, and these are diploid as well. Here comes the outline of how parthenogenesis and fertilization takes place in the honeybees. Hope the video was useful. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.